everyone, it's Stephanie, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 really easy and really fast crafts you can make out of something that you already have in your household. Toilet paper rolls. Yep, that's right. Toilet paper rolls. As a teacher, I really find that I collect a lot of toilet paper rolls because I think there could be crafts that I could do with my students, but then never actually works out, and then I have like 100 toilet paper rolls that I'm not really sure what to do with. The great thing about these toilet paper roll crafts is that you can use them pretty much anywhere, especially the 2 that have to do with technology. So let's go ahead and get into it. For the bird feeder, you are going to need the toilet paper roll, some string, a plate, some bird seed, a knife, and some peanut butter. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your bird seed on your plate. This is going to make it a lot easier for you to roll the toilet paper roll when you're ready. Next, you are going to spread your peanut butter all over your toilet paper roll. Now, I really didn't use that much here in this clip, but I found when I did it the second time with a little more peanut butter, the seeds stuck far better and I was able to get more. So it's definitely a good idea to add more peanut butter in a nice thick way, but not too heavy that your string is actually going to break once you hang it. Now you are ready to roll the seeds. So like I said, using the plate, you're just going to roll your toilet paper roll all around in the seeds, have it covered up as much as you can. If you find there are some spots that actually don't really have much bird seed on it, you can just take handfuls like I'm doing right now and add in some bird seed to the holes. Now it is time to add the string. So depending on how low you want this bird feeder to hang, you're going to cut the appropriate amount of string and you are going to feed it through the ends of the toilet paper roll, and then you're going to tie a knot at the end of it so it can hang nicely in your tree or wherever you decide to place it. For the cell phone stand, you're going to need your toilet paper roll, obviously. You're going to need a marker, some washi tape, and some pins. First thing you're going to do once you get total control and balance of your phone is you're actually going to trace the bottom of your phone against the toilet paper roll. Now I also do have a phone case on my phone, which I actually found helped, especially as it didn't actually get any marker on my phone itself. So you want to make sure you've traced all the way around your cell phone. Now once the hole is traced, I decided to take some of my pins to help me start cutting out the shape. I found that having the pins just started the process of cutting it out as a whole. Once I got them started, I took a very sharp knife and I just cut the hole out for my cell phone. Now it's time to start decorating. So selecting any washi tape that you desire, you are just going to cover the entire toilet paper roll, even going over the hole you just made. You're going to be cutting it out anyways. it's time to get your knife out again, and what I did is I cut along the middle of the hole because you can clearly see it through the washi tape. I also figured I had to cut a little bit of the sides to make it much easier for me to be able to fold the washi tape in the middle of the hole to help fold it over. This next part of the project, much like some other parts with a knife, you have to be really careful with. So you're going to be taking the pins and poking them through the toilet paper roll. Now the careful part, besides not pricking yourself because these pins can hurt, is being aware of where they're actually going to come through in the toilet paper roll, because you do not want your phone getting all scratched up. So maybe put your phone through the hole, see where it's going to sit, and then you'll be able to figure out where the pins are going to go. And also, it's a really good idea to align the pins parallel to each other so that your phone stand can sit up properly. I definitely saved the easiest for last. You're going to need toilet paper rolls, some labels, some washi tape, and that's pretty much it. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your selected washi tape, and much like what we did for the phone stand, you are just going to cover the entire toilet paper roll with your washi tape. You are going to get your label out, and you are going to find a spot to put it and lay it across your toilet paper roll. Once you have your label secured, you're going to grab your marker again like you had for our phone stand, and you're going to just go ahead and write the label out for whatever cord you have decided you want to put into this toilet paper roll. For this one, I decided to go with my Apple charger. And there you have it. Now I have two of my toilet paper roll crafts. The other one is outside feeding the birds, obviously. But as you can see, you can really do a lot with toilet paper rolls, and you can make a whole bunch of these cord organizers to make it really easy to organize the thousands of cords we all carry now with all the technology we have. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found these a helpful little craft to make, and something you didn't maybe even think of that you would need, but now we're really glad you learned about. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!